Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Oracle Love Light. I know I've been gone for a couple days. Ramadan is over and I had to kind of like figure out my life now, like what is happening. So anyway, today is Cinco de Mayo. So of course I have to cook in honor of my ancestors, spirit, and all that good stuff. So in this video, I am going to be showing you what I am making for Cinco de Mayo, which of course you know is going to be tacos, but we're also going to have some Mexican street corn. We're going to have some deviled eggs. I said deviled eggs. Some deviled eggs. Oh my gosh, I'm starting already, y'all. Listen, I'm gonna get myself together, but we're gonna have that, and we're gonna have oh, I made these little shrimp taco bites. I will show you guys how to make them, but first let's get into the seasoning. You know the basic routine of this: just some green peppers, onion, ground turkey, a little bit of Cajun seasoning, Italian seasoning, and a little bit of onion powder. So we're gonna cook this up. And for the shrimp bites, what I am going to do, well, of course, one of my girls are peeling the shrimp. I'm going to tell you what we're going to have in it. We're just going to put it in the pan with some avocado oil and some garlic and some Italian seasoning, well, some garlic powder and Italian seasoning. And we're going to use Cajun seasoning. This is what the shrimp looks like. Like I said, let's season it with Cajun, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, just a little bit. I will say, wait until you see me make these little taco bites. They are so good. It's just like a little shrimp taco bite. You just need shrimp and a bag of, I use Southwest salad because that has like cabbage in it, a little bit of carrots, a little bit of lettuce and kale. So I use that salad. And you're going to see how I do it. Let me stop talking. Just enjoy the video. Okay, you guys, so this is what the corn looks like. This was so good. It was different and it was really good. You're supposed to use a different kind of cheese, but I didn't have that, so this is what I used. But it turns out really, really, really good. I really enjoyed this. So look, I'm gonna give you a little snippet of my girl playing to Despacito. It really was just a little snippet. You know YouTube will copyright you quick. But anyway, you guys, this is what everything looks like. This was so delicious and so good. I mean, we enjoyed everything about this meal. So you guys, this is going to be the end of this video. I'm going to be making another video this week about my experience with Ramadan. So I hope you guys watch that. And for the time being, I thank you guys for joining me. I thank you for sharing this space with me. And as always, I thank you for watching.